guys, it's Charlotte and welcome to today's video, which is going to be my first grocery haul as a student in film school. And this grocery haul is also a zero waste one or a low waste one because there is a little bit of plastic that I feel bad about. But yes, a low waste, budget friendly film student grocery haul. That's too much of a mouthful. But anyways, let's jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing that I got, let's see, because there's a few bags here. I also have some household items, but that's gonna be a whole other video. Okay, lots of bananas. I got 1 bunch, 2 bunches, 3 bunches, 4 bunches, and I think more, yeah, 5 bunches. So I got many bananas because I have my NutriBullet and I'm going to freeze them and make banana ice cream. So I'm very excited for that. Yeah, 5 bunches of organic bananas. Only 99 cents a kilogram or a pound from Save on Foods here in Vancouver. Because I'm in Vancouver. Back. Okay, this I do feel bad about. This isn't low waste. I do have my own sprout seeds, but I don't have them sprouted yet and I need some nutrition. So I got alfalfa sprouts. Yay! But I am gonna sprout mine after this and then reuse this container and store mine in here. Okay? Don't be mad. But alfalfa sprouts. 2 large as hell avocados. They're like the big ones from Mexico, I think. They're like really big and I'm amazed. So yes, this will be for with my sushi, as will the alfalfa sprouts. Okay, that bag's done. Okay, next thing, cucumber. This one sadly only comes in plastic, but I love cucumber. I'm realizing this isn't zero waste. This is just me getting the foods I like. Sorry. But look, this is in a produce bag. I specifically go out of my way to try to do low waste. Like, I really, really do. But sometimes it's hard. You can't be perfect. Okay, all of these navel oranges were on sale. And in the morning, I make my creamsicle banana ice cream promote YouTube video that I already have up. And yeah, all of these oranges are gonna be juiced. So that's amazing. Okay, next grocery item is, oh my god, are we onto like the next thing already? We're going too fast for me. In here in my produce bag is broccoli. Let me show you. Yay, broccoli. So I got 2 crowns and I make this really good like veggie bowl with this and a couple other items I'm going to show you guys. And it is so great. It's in my purely plant-based cookbook. Here's a discount code if you guys want to get it for being one of my YouTube subscribers. But yeah, it's really good and it's cheap, so win-win. Okay, cauliflower. They only had cauliflower packaged, even the organic one and even the non-organic one. So this is part of my veggie bowl and I really like cauliflower. Sorry. Okay, next thing, carrots. So in here I got a bunch of carrots that I also use. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the thumbnail. 1 sec. Okay, carrots. I got a bunch of carrots. They also go in my veggie bowl and I love them. Okay, and they were non-packaged, so I got to do that. Next is 2 local Honeycrisp BC apples, because I really like these with almond butter, and they are also a good snack for like lunch, because I'm probably gonna have light lunches while I'm in school because it's too hard to eat in the middle of the day when I'm in the middle of school. So yes, that and granola bars. Okay, only 2 last things. Okay, another thing from my veggie bowl is russet potatoes. 1 per bowl, so I have 2. So yes, that. And then last but not least, last thing, oh wait, there's some more things. There's 2 more things. Never mind. Oh wait, there's another, there's 3. Okay, well, there's 3 potatoes. Okay, and then 1 mandarin orange for a snack because it was the only nice one and it was cheap. So I wanted to buy it even though it's only 1. And garlic for my veggie bowl, as well as for if I make hummus or if I want some in like a homemade dressing, because I'm not showing it here because I didn't buy it because I already have some that I brought. But tahini, that is something that I love making dressings with. It's so good. But anyways, so those are things I got. And that's, yeah, for my breakfasts and dinners. I need to get some things for smoothies too. But I'm going to see how this goes and how I feel. And if I need a smoothie for lunch or not. Or like when I get home from school. I don't know if I'll need it or not. So I'm going to see. But this is what I got for now. And yeah, that's my grocery haul. There's honestly like quite a bit of stuff. Let's show you. It's all stuff that I can freeze or will last a long time. So yeah, there's my grocery haul. Bye guys. Oh my god, I almost forgot. I also got lettuce. Leaf lettuce, green leaf lettuce. I also got lettuce. Cause salad, yes.